The Victory 2 is the latest addition to Ficep's family of single-spindle traveling column drill lines dating back to 1977. This new product addition capitalizes on many of the design successes that have been most recently proven on the Excalibur 12. For example, the Victory 2 employs a series of modular material support tables to stage sections for drilling. The material remains stationary, while the drill spindle moves to keep the system footprint to the minimum. A rack and pinion arrangement is used to position the drill head assembly in the lineal dimension. A system of massive rollers are integrated into the drill to guide it to the desired location. Robust linear ways and bearings are utilized to guide the drill spindle in the Y-axis. The Victory 2 incorporates a system to terminate any movement if it comes into contact with an obstruction. Coolant is precisely metered not just for through-the-tool applications, but also for those that require external use. The Victory 2 drill enclosure contains and diverts chips into a drawer that can be easily removed. The hydraulic power unit is mounted on board the drill, so it is not necessary to run hydraulic hoses from a remote fixed location. Only air and the electrical cables are connected to the movable drill cabinet. Standard electrical components are utilized that are readily available in industrial markets around the world. The electrical cabinet is cooled by an integrated system specifically designed for such applications. A non-contact laser probing system is integrated into the Victory 2 to sense the actual leading end location of the section to be processed. A vertical hydraulic clamp not only secures the section on the table, but can also be used to probe the top surface if this is to be used as a zero point for hole locations. A second hydraulic clamp located below the work surface provides an equal force to secure the workpiece. This also neutralizes any downward forces from the top clamp to avoid table distortion over time. An air blast system removes chips prior to activating a second non-contact laser probe. This device locates the web surface when the hole pattern needs to be referenced from the theoretical web center line. In addition to locating holes from the web, they can be positioned from the table surface, for example, when processing angle, or from the bottom of the top clamp for locating holes in a tube. The Victory 2 uses a ball screw spindle feed to achieve maximum productivity with the use of carbide insert drills. The heart of the Victory 2 is a direct drive 17 kilowatt motor developing up to 5,000 RPM. This direct drive spindle motor eliminates the need to have a gearbox, so the full power of the motor is delivered to the cutting tool. A Windows-based CNC control with a powerful operator interface expands the versatility of the system, all with minimal hardware. The ball screw feed of the Victory 2 enhances the capability by permitting additional operations such as tapping, counterboring, and countersinking. The flexibility of the Victory 2 is also apparent as it can process a full complement of structural shapes such as beams, channels, angles, one or both sides of structural tubes, and plates. The wireless remote control also gives the operator the ability to perform material handling operations when the system is running. The flexibility of the Victory 2 and its low level of investment makes it an ideal first step into the world of CNC fabrication. Is it not time to speak to one of our sales professionals to learn how the Victory 2 can enhance your bottom line? You will be amazed to find out how attractive the return on investment is for the Victory 2 from Ficep.